UP Chief Minister continues to remain defiant despite blatant evidence of the deteriorating law and order situation in Uttar Pradesh. The opposition today tore into Mayawati over the Deputy Chief Medical Officer Dr. Sachin's murder case. The Samajwadi Party meeting the UP governor this morning, calling for president's rule in the state. But Mayawati refuses to blink, instead pointing fingers at the centre for what she says is her being singled out.
The mystery surrounding the death of Dr. Sachin, now a political flashpoint. The opposition taking the battle to the governor's doorstep, calling for president's rule in Uttar Pradesh, accusing Maya's cops of a massive cover-up.
पूरे डॉक्टर सचान के घर के बाहर पीएससी लगा दी। उनके परिवार के लोगों के बीच कितनी बड़ी पीएससी थी, वहाँ कई ट्रकों पीएससी पहुंचा दी। और जब अंत्येष्टि हुई उसके उस समय भी बहुत बड़े पैमाने पे पुलिस पीएससी पहुंचा दी गई थी।
What do you think was the intention of the state government by doing this?
ये है कि सबको डरा के धमका के रखना चाहती है सरकार।
But despite the political pressure, Maya staying defiant, refusing comment on the murders of chief medical officers, instead choosing directly to take on the Home Minister.
केंद्र सरकार के गृह मंत्रालय, इन पार्टियों की सरकारों में केंद्र सरकार के गृह मंत्रालय एवं इनके सभी राष्ट्रीय आयोगों को ये सब वारदातें क्यों नहीं नजर आती हैं?
First, her cops insisted Sachin committed suicide, a claim that the autopsy report tore to shreds. Then the police tried their best to make it seem that Sachin had ended his life out of desperation, a claim that was once again dismissed and has the Minorities Commission warning the government.
This Dr. Sachin happens to be the member of OBC, so his case is also covered under the jurisdiction of National Commission for Shudkar.
Maya's men even tried to pin the blame for the scams and murders on this man, Anand Tiwari, who promptly issued a denial, writing to the governor saying there was a larger conspiracy at play. The UP government's lies stand exposed, raising questions about the reason for Sachin's death. The multiple versions leading to one major question: was Sachin's murder a cover-up for a massive scam? Bureau Report, Times Now.